if you've been following our updates, you know that every month we track and add rules for new fish kits as well. And last month, it was SRJ and Blur, so that there were 2 different phishing kits. And this time we have got a new one, Phishkit.RandLoad. And this one actually stands out for a few reasons. First one is, instead of using static phishing URL, it generates the URL dynamically. So which makes the link actual phishing link. I mean, making unique, and it can make the detection harder. And it uses iframes to display a fake Microsoft login page inside the phishing site. This is something classic trick to make it look legitimate. And of course, it leans the the lure around, to force urgency for the victim, right? Which usually reference invoices or kind of subscription renewals. So right now we have, to tackle this, we have added a new YARA rule, that helps us flag these type of